I'm gonna make a really cool cocktail today using one of my favorite ingredients, lavender. My family makes fun of me because I love lavender. I love lavender scented things, lavender flavored things, and this is my lavender syrup that I'm going to use today. Lavender syrup, if you take a cup of water, a cup of cane sugar, and simmer it, just bring it to a simmer with about a heaping tablespoon of lavender buds, culinary grade please. Take it off the heat, let it infuse for about an hour, then strain out the buds. You have this beautiful scented lavender syrup, which is phenomenal in little lattes, by the way. I love a good lavender latte. Anyway, I've mixed it with a little bit of cane sugar here, and that's what I'm gonna use to rim my glass. We're gonna make a lavender sunset. So, I start off in a mason jar with ice. This is kind of like my preferred cocktail shaker. I have an ounce of lime juice. I have an ounce of my lavender syrup. And then, of course, for a tequila sunset, lavender sunset, you need an ounce of tequila. And then I give it a good shake. Like so. And then I need to rim my glass with just a little bit of lime juice. It's gonna help everything stick, right? And then rim it in this beautiful lavender bud sugar mixture. That's cute already. And then just strain out so I don't get any of the ice in here. If I am careful. There's that. Perfect. And then I top it off with a little bit of tonic water. That's it. It's lavender sunset. Oh, that's really tasty. The lime and the lavender go really well together. Two of my favorite flavors.